Welcome to Landria on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life. All right, today we're going to talk about the universe and what it is. The universe is one energy, it's one power. Oh, it's no, one power. You're it, you're looking at it. You're looking at the universe, and you, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. One power. The universe is just creating all the time, you. The universe is, with its intelligence beyond our comprehension, is always manifesting. Your individual expression of this one gets to choose the individual reality. With your focus and your beliefs, your attention, you are the power. You are the quantum physics. It is not separate, giving you what you want. You are the quantum physics. That's why when you look at something and you change it, it's because you are it. All right? I know that's a tough one for people. What do you mean I'm it? Don't go there. Don't go into that space. You'll drive yourself crazy. All right? So you are the quantum field. It does nothing but deliver. That's all it does. It doesn't judge. It's pure light, even in the darkest. It's pure love, even in the darkest expression. It's just experiencing. It doesn't judge that. Now, there's cause and effects and consequences for everything, right? So if you go into that space that's dark, you experience what's down there. Neither good nor bad. Just is. But who wants to do that? It's part of the contrast. And then when you experience it, you realize that's not where I want to stay. But you've experienced it. All right? That's all it is. The universe does nothing but deliver. That's it. Yeah? Okay. You're doing it. The universe does nothing but deliver. At all times. It doesn't take a break. It's happening at every split second and beyond time. It's always creating, manifesting, moving, expanding. It's always expanding. You know, the galaxies around us are expanding faster than the speed of light, moving away from us. We're not the center of it. So how's that? If there's no center of anything, it's beyond our comprehension. I want you to know that this power is so beyond a human's pea brain trying to figure it out, that all I want you to know in this video is that every single thought you have is manifesting. My 3-second manifesting scares the crap out of people. Whoa, what am I manifesting? Every single thought is manifesting. Now, herein is the challenge. Beliefs are fueling that. So when you're fighting what you're thinking about, right? You don't like what you're thinking, and then you focus on what you want, but you're not really believing it. That is your manifestation. So in my e-course, we work on the belief systems. Because until you knock that out and realize where it's coming from, you will continually struggle with the things you want to manifest. You don't believe you're doing it. You think it's outside of you, because you're thinking something different than what it is. And it's there. At all times. It's always there. No thought, no judgment. It's just creating. Everything exists. It gets created with your focus on it. That's when we use the term creation, but every probability exists right now. But it comes into your reality with your focus. What's your focus? What's my focus? Ruh-roh. Is it not good? Is it negative? Are you having a little battle? Oh, Mama, no, I am wealthy. I am abundant. You'll never amount to, oh, stop. I manifest this. I manifest this. That's your message to the universe. I don't believe it because this is you not believing. That's not something separate from you. That's your energetic field. Nothing separate. There's no separate ego. That ego is part of you absolutely going to the lower frequency and believing the crap out there. Right? That's programming. That's part of collective consciousness. Sorry, but we all share that. And it's nasty. That's just why we have to raise our frequency, because we will raise the collective consciousness. So you're going to feel less and less, experience less and less those thoughts and feelings. Sometimes we're picking up on stuff and it's not ours. Well, it's always ours because we're one, but it's not our individual expression. It's the collective of which we are and share. How do you know the difference? You don't need to know. No more questioning. Question nothing. Yeah, I don't need to know everything. All I know is that I am absolutely creating everything at all times, and that I am here to raise the frequency of this planet, and when I do that, everyone will live in abundance. So people are like, what about the people that are doing this? And I said, what about them? What are you doing to change it, huh? Nobody ever answers that question, by the way. I haven't had one person come back and answer a question, because the people that say that are not the ones in the trenches making a difference or writing the checks. Because those people are already doing something. They're not distraught. They're saying, I'm helping alleviate the problem. The other people sit back and complain about the world and aren't doing anything. And that very focus on that negativity is taking us down. Because you're creating that problem by focusing on it. When you focus on the solutions and actually taking action, or at the very least, seeing the world differently and taking some kind of action, even if it's energetically, you are becoming the solution to that. That's why when you put on the news and all this other garbage, you are part of the problem. You're focusing, your quantum focus is on the negativity, and you're going there. Oh my gosh, what did I say? We need to take responsibility for even the governments. We put them in. We're part of the collective that did everything. And somebody, wrote me nasty emails about Trump, and I said, and that I was a liberal. I said, wow, so here we went into this space of I'm right and you're wrong, and I absolutely didn't say anything. I said, if you're going to complain, we have to take responsibility for the good and the bad. You know, we're part of all the energy. It has nothing to do with politics. It has to do with, if you're going to complain, then you're not taking charge. You're not part of the solution. And if you voted for that person and you're complaining, or you didn't vote for that person to complain, you're in the same boat. And that is, we're talking energy here, not politics and liberals and Democrats. Here we go again. Oh, I'm a Republican and I'm a Democrat and I'm a this and I'm that. This separation has to stop. Now, you can have an opinion. Nobody else has to think and feel the way you do, and sitting and arguing it makes you the problem. That's separation, and that's the ego saying, and this and that, and oh dear Lord, can you listen to yourself? We have to listen to ourselves. What's going through in this little pea brain that we have, because we're not the pea brain. We're the massive power of the universe. The universe is always giving you exactly what you put into it. Always. Look at your life. It's a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, your feelings, your actions. What are you going to do today to change it? What do you want to change? You can do it right now. If you believe that you hold that power, that you are that power, and if you don't, then you will remain a separate individual that's going to argue, and you're going to stay in the third dimension, and that is exactly how the world will function. The world that you know it will be arguing their points to the day they die, solving no problems. A world of struggle, of right and wrong, of separation, of having to be right. We can change that today. Are you on board? It's amazing. When you go into that space, it's mind-blowing. You realize how beautiful everybody is. And that it's okay if we all have different expressions. In fact, that's what makes it so beautiful. Being human. It's unique. It's unique. And you're here. What are you going to do with it? You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.